This is great fun. We've never seen anything like it before in book form. It's chewed. I've seen it at home because I've got the whippet over there, and she chews certain things like her puppy dogs. And this book is called Chewed, and it's our pets, what they destroy in terms of toys. So page after page of wonky toys with eyes missing, ears missing, threads hanging out, stuffing hanging out, we know that. And it's glorious. It's 130 delightful colour photos, and how those favourite toys that looked oh so pretty in a shop get transformed in your home to look like this. It's a £19.99 publication, and through bibliophilebooks.com it's only £6.50. It's called Chewed.